Dear students, Namaste. In this video, we will implement next practical, that is practical number 10 from Database Management System syllabus, create and modify view. So basically view is a virtual table. Means what? Suppose this is my table stored in database and I want to create view on that table. So in that view I want only these three columns, EMP number, ename and salary. So it will print only these three columns record, not included city and phone number column. So that is called as view. View is a virtual table, means we can create view, we can delete data from view, we can drop view, we can update the view record. Means all the operations we can implement on table, same operations we can implement on view. But table and view is something different. View is a virtual and table is a stored inside database. Right? Means whatever you change in view, it is not reflected in table. But whatever change in the table, it is reflected in the view. Means what? Suppose here I change 1002 value from my table as 10010, so it is updated in the view. But in the view I updated any value, it is not reflected in the table. Means जसं आपण आरशामध्ये आपल्या स्वतःला बघतो, म्हणजे आरशात आपण नसतो, बट आपली एक व्हर्च्युअल इमेज तयार होते, राईट. सो त्याच पद्धतीने व्ह्यू तयार होतो. सो this is the concept of view. So first, in practical related question, there is a first question, write output of the following query. So table is created. Then here insert this record. So as per column sequence, you have to insert one by one value in the table. So select this, insert row 1, select this, insert row 2, select this, insert row number 3, select this, insert row number 4, and select this, insert row number 5. Now we have to check what is the data of EMP table. So select star from EMP. So these all 5 records available in EMP table having 5 columns. Okay, so we can perform first query on that table. Create view. So how to create view? Create command, then view keyword, then whatever the name of view, that is here EMP underscore view, is it view name, as we want only EMP number, ename and salary column from the EMP table. So here after creation of view, city and phone number not display, only these three columns values are displayed. So here I will check. So implement first view query. So here control V, so run. So this view is created here, view is created. Now we want to check the output of view. So select star from view name is EMP view. Okay, so run this command, so you will get this answer. So here only 3 columns are selected from the existing table. So this is the answer of first query. Then now go for second query, write a output of the following query. Here we have to update view, that is we have to set ename as Ramesh, whose employee number is 1001. So here in previous output 1001 employee number having name Amit. So we have to update this. So run this query and we will check the output. So now here I will write here update EMP view. So here it will update Ramesh as a ename where employee number is 1001. So here run this. So here one row is updated. How to check the output? So select star from EMP view and run. So here values are displayed. So here my 1001 record having Ramesh value. So it is updated successfully. Now go for next query. Write output of the following query, that is delete record. So we have to delete the record, delete the row from EMP view where EMP number is 1005. Means what? In previous output 1005 having value Dinesh and 18,000 salary. So it will be deleted after performing this query. So here I will delete this row. So to delete, use delete command. So delete from EMP view where EMP number is 1005. I select it and run. Now one row is deleted. Check the output, select star from EMP view. So here only 4 rows are displayed. Our fifth row having EMP number 1005 is deleted here. Okay, so this is the output of fourth query. Then go for next, that is fourth one. Sorry, this one is third. Write output of the following query, delete view EMP view. So here we can perform delete command on particular row value. We cannot perform delete on direct view. So here it will give an error message. After running this query, it will give an error message. See here. So here invalid table name. So we cannot perform this delete operation on EMP view. So here there is a drop command. If you want to drop this view from permanent for permanent, then we can use drop command. So here I use drop command and run. So view is dropped. So a view is deleted with the drop view statement. So it will give errors. How to delete? By using drop command. Okay. So go for next exercise. So first question, create depth view on depth table. So here we have to create department table. So here I implement these 3 queries. I will create department table and then insert 3 rows and I will print depth value. Here my table name is depth, column names are depth number, depth name, location and job type, having different data types with size. And here I inserted 3 rows, department number 10, department name production, location Mumbai and job type is worker, having these 2 rows having different data type. When I select this run, so table is created. Select this run, first row is created, select this run, second row is created, select this run, third row is created, and now select star from depth. So it will print department table, that is depth table, having 4 rows, right? So now we can perform given queries on that particular table. First is create a depth view on depth table. Okay, how to create, which rows we have, which column we have to select, here not given. So we will select some columns from the existing table. So here I will select for implement first query. So here I will select create view, view name is depth view as select. Here I select depth number, depth name and location, means I escape job type, skip this job type. Okay, so here perform this view. So run, view is created. How to check output? Select star from depth view. Here our view name is depth, so depth underscore, it is VIEW. So now run this, so it will run view. So here see here job type column is not displayed, so this is our views output, first query output. Then now go for second, insert new record in depth view. So we have to insert new record in the depth view. How to insert? Just insert into depth view values, right? Here how many columns in the depth view? Depth number, depth name and location, only 3 values. So we have to write data for 3 values. So depth number 40, depth name finance and location is Karjat. So run this query, insert data and now check the output, select star from depth view. So here 40 finance and Karjat is added. Okay, so this is the output query for second question. Then go for next, modify location of depth number 10 of depth view. Here depth number 10 having location Mumbai. So we have to change this location by using update command, right? By using update we can modify, right? So query is update command. So here my query is update, view name is depth view, set location is equal to Vasai. I want to set Vasai where depth number given is 10. So here 10 having Mumbai location. So now after updation it will become Vasai. So one row is updated, select star from depth view. So here Vasai is printed. So Vasai is stored. Then go for next. Delete the record of depth number 20 from depth view. Okay, here see the record of 20, sales department and location is Kalyan. So by using delete command we can delete particular record. So by using delete command, delete. So this is my query, delete. Delete from depth view where depth number is equal to 20. So this whole row is deleted, 20 sales and Kalyan. So run this, one row is deleted and check the output. So select star from depth view. So 20 depth number row is deleted here. So this is the output. Okay, go for next. Last question, delete the view depth view, right? How to delete? By using only drop command, drop. We cannot perform delete command to delete a view directly. So we can use delete command to delete particular row, always remember. But we cannot perform delete command directly on the view. So to delete the view, we can use drop command, always remember that. So here I will drop this, drop view, view name that is depth view, view is dropped. If I selected select star from depth view, so this is not exist, this view is not exist because here we deleted from the memory, right, by using drop command. So this is the answer, drop view, depth view. So students, here we have completed our practical number 10. We will start our practical number 11 in next video. Okay, please share this video with your friends so they can understand all the concepts of database management system easily. Okay, my suggestion is perform different queries on your machine and check the output. If you have any doubt, please post in to comment. I will give you reply as soon as possible. Thank you.